In general, manufacturing operation in a factory can be classified into three different layers, which are the control, the operation, and the intelligence layer. At the bottom, the control layer is to implement the machine interface based on two-way communication. In the middle, operation layer covers for production operation and equipment engineering. At the top, the intelligence layer includes real-time monitoring, reporting, and analysis of shop floor data, and statistical-based quality analysis. In addition, there is a EAI for enterprise application integration related to the entire layer. Miracom's 6 solutions are covering all of the most essential functions in implementing a smart factory. Let's take a look at the introduction and main features of each solution. NextPlant MES Plus is an integrated production management system that focuses on real-time monitoring, control, logistics, lot tracking, status monitoring, and defect management at the manufacturing site. Miracom's NextPlant MES Plus is a proven Asia #1 solution with over 250 references based on 22 years of experiences. It covers various industries and possesses with accumulated long-term know-how. And it is platform-based solution, and the factory can be stably operated and expanded by applying the latest trend technology. By establishing MES, manufacturing standardization, process operation and control, real-time traceability, and equipment defect can be systematically managed. NextPlant MC is an equipment automation software that handles two-way communication through an interface between equipment and an operating system like MES. As a solution, NextPlant MC interfaced over 40,000 equipments and over 500 types. It supports standard protocols such as OPC, SAX, and TCP tool so that it can be connected with various equipment that can reduce cost by minimizing equipment modification and replacement. It is possible to maximize equipment operability by operating existing equipment and interface them with new machines. NextPlant QMS is a quality management system that provides a comprehensive solution for quality control, including manufacturing yield and defect analysis. NextPlant QMS provides overall equipment engineering system and statistical analysis functions such as built-in SPC, ANOVA, correlation, commonality analysis, and vision inspection data analysis. NextPlant QMS analyzes the quality issues occurring during the production process and provides quick feedback to increase yield and stabilize quality. NextPlant FMB is a data monitoring software that monitors production equipment, personnel, progress, and material status and logistic flow. Miracom's NextPlant FMB provides design templates that can be used in various industries. In addition, various types of symbols such as tables, charts, and labels are provided for intuitive communication, and video, images, and sound can be utilized. Style function, menu design at the level of professional design tools, and various shortcuts make it easy for non-experts to easily configure the screen and continuously improve management. By visualizing and showing various business information in an easy-to-understand format, issues affecting corporate productivity can be identified, improved, and prevented. NextPlant EMI is a manufacturing intelligence software developed based on Miracom's business experience over 22 years. NextPlant EMI provides designer tools which can freely place various UI components such as charts and tables on the screen so that reports can be easily developed and modified without coding, and supports data analysis through the exports function. Next Plant EMI analyzes all the information generated in the manufacturing process and provides insight through intelligence and supports strategy decision-making by management. Highway 101 is an enterprise application integration software that integrates different applications and systems operated by companies such as ERP, CRM, and SCM. Highway 101 is a middleware-based structure that consists of various architectures and implements a system optimized for the deployment environment, and it increases development productivity by the simple GUI-based development environment and minimizing coding. Highway 101 maximizes corporate information activities by linking and integrating various data or applications.